Recently, I found out something that was pretty scary. People have been eating this thing called avocado toast. Now, avocado toast is basically toast with an avocado on it. And I was all like, what the heck? But then I was like, maybe it's good. But I didn't have any avocados. So I chose the next best thing beans. And let me tell you, it wasn't good. Anyways, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make bean toast, and I'm going to list every reason why you shouldn't eat it. Well, let's go. So the first step is you get some bread. And then you toast the bread. So then once you finish toasting the bread, you take your fork and you get the bread out using it. So now you got your toast. Your toast has been toasted. That's toasted bread. So you may be asking, so how do I get from toast to bean toast? Well, you take a can of beans. There you go. You got bean toast. Now you may be saying, well, that doesn't look too bad. Well, it's absolutely awful. Now, I'll be listing 20 reasons why bean toast is the worst thing ever created. And it is above avocado toast. But I haven't tried it yet, but I just know for a fact that bean toast is an abomination. Anyways, here's 20 facts and the reasons why this is the worst food in existence. Well, I hope you learned something. And if you learned just even one thing, I hope it was to hate bean toast. And that's about it. I don't really care what else you learned. Just hate bean toast. And if I get anybody selling me bean toast is good, commit arson. I'll burn your house down with flaming bean toast.